Hey everyone, Mima is here again, and today we are juicing, and we are juicing to strengthen our eyes. Okay, but before we get started, I just want to get you guys a short breakdown of the benefit of juicing. Juicing is very, very good. Okay, we remove the juice from the fruits and remove it from the vegetables. Remove that bulk. All right, remove the solid part, and we get what? We get vitamins, we get minerals, we get antioxidant into our juice as we juice it. Okay, juicing also helps to remove toxin from the body. All right, so which is good. Okay, also it's a great supplement, right? Because sometimes we don't want to eat these things, but if you juice it, you still will get a supplement from it. Okay, so what we're going to do today, we're going to juice this now. Here's for our eyes. This is for our eyes. Okay, so we have 3 carrots. We're going to juice 1 beet, one half of a ginger, and 1 apple. Okay, so make sure you wash these things up. Cut the ends off. Cut the ends off of the beet and the apple. Cut it off, and then we juice it. So we're gonna start now. All right. So let's move this. We have a nice glass here. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Look at this. I'm gonna pour this out. Look at this. 1 full glass of beetroot, carrots, ginger, and an apple. This is so good. I hope you guys gonna like this. Strengthen your eyes. Your eyes is very, very important. We need to see. We need to see to do everything. So please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. But only that, if you like this drink, give me a thumbs up. All right, and always come back because I'm juicing. I'm juicing. Come back and enjoy me. And juice with me. Juice with me. All right, talk to you. All right, let's taste it. Very, very, very good. I could taste the ginger. I could taste the beet. I could taste the carrot. I could taste everything. It's a great combination. So I'll give you the recipe. Put it together and strengthen